Ta-da! Car for sale! Car for sale! Car for sale!
New cars! That's what I need.
Do you need a new car?
I have one coin.
Money first.
Okay. Okay. Number 4.
Bye-bye. Car for sale.
Oh!
Let's go. Car for sale.
Hi, I need a car.
Money first.
Oh,
Okay. Number 5. Bye-bye. Car for sale.
we need a new car.
Money first.
Here's your car. Okay. This is your car. Number 7.
This is what I need. I love it. Do you like this guy?
Give me money, please.
Oh. Number 3. Thank you. Bye-bye. Car for sale. Oh, car for sale. Car for sale.
I need this car.
Money. Okay, car's yours. Bye-bye. See you later. No parking here. It's not a car! Hey, stop! It's not a car!
No, 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 go, go, go!
Huh? Hey, stop! Chris! Hey, stop! It's my car! It's my lifter!
Variety tea. Do you like apples? Mm-hmm.
No parking here!
Excuse me.
Okay.
Oh!
Remember rules! Ta-da! Car for sale! Car for sale!
Chris, it's my car.
Money, money!
Huh? I don't have money.
No money! No car!
Okay.
Oh, it's my car!
Let's go.
Yeah!
Yum, yum. Hello, ma'am? Okay, I'm coming. I catch you!
Police!
Haha! I catch you!
He's sleeping. Idea. Yay! Donut! Donut! Donut!
Donut?
Donut!
Hello? Can I have a donut, please?
Money, money.
Oh, okay, okay. No money.
Okay. Bicycle, bicycle.
Oh. Bye bye.
You can go.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, hello.
Who wants to win the prize?
You want a prize? Yeah. Let's go. Yay!
The first task is decorate the house. Choose your material. Next one, please choose. Nice color.
Plastic box.
Fur.
Toys.
Come on.
My house is better. My house is better. Hello, Chris. How are you? Okay. Yummy. Done.
Good job.
Let's see how much tickets I got. Wow. Let's see. Yay! Wow, so many tickets.
Next task. Make a dress from
Trash bag, dress from sponges, sticky notes. Top from plastic bags. Cool hair clip from sponges. Chicken notes. 5.
Nice job!
Thank
For
you.
you. Oh, good job! This is for you! Oh, I like your style. This is for you. Right? Oh. Let's count your tickets.
I have 350.
Sweet! This is your box. It's for you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And 500.
Give me your tickets, please. Oh, 500. Oh, okay.
I lost all my tickets.
Wow, nice car. We have cool toys. Yes, it's a good idea. We are friends and we have to play together. Thank you.
Where did this balloon come from?
You broke my balloon. I will punish you.
What? Oh no, what happened?
I punish you. You are arrested now.
Thank you, Foster, please.
Let them go.
Never. They broke my balloon.
Oh, I have an idea. Help me, please. Wow, it's Hey, Balloon Man, I have a slide. Oh,
Wow. Oh, can I play with you?
yes.
Cool. Look at this slime.
Bye bye. Whoa. Come on.
Red is done. Watch out!
Oh yeah, cool.
Oh.
Hey, you come here. I like disco. Do you wanna try?
Of course I'm gonna try. Yeah. I like music. I like dancing. I like disco.
Bye bye.
I love disco. I hear something. Someone broke my balloons.
Can you let us out, please?
Never.
Time to clean. I like clean.
Yes, I like cleaning.
Do you want to try?
I want to try.
Great job. Okay, go. Don't worry, mommy.
Oh no! Oh, hey!
Oh, Balloon Man.
Oh, my lonely balloons!
Let's do party party. Yeah! Party. Yeah! Woohoo! Oh! That one will do.
From where this sound coming from?
Wake up, no sleep.
That's what I heard.
Jesus. Close your ears.
What? What?
Such a pizza.
Wow! Okay, Balloon Man, come!
Oh no! I won't leave my black balloons.
Hey, Balloon Man, come!
What does it mean?
Such a good place!
Let's do it.
Oh no no no! My lonely balloon! Oh no! Oh my lonely balloon!
What shall we do, kids?
I have an idea!
That's for you.
Oh, this is for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, balloon. Goodbye.
Kids, now you see that you overcome any challenge when you're all together with your friends and